Breaking na breaking news, mga kababayan ko. Senador Marcoleta, nilabas ang tunay na talino at tila sinaniban ni Senador Miriam Defensor Santiago at itong mga DOJ question ang pagiging independent ng ICI. Yari, mga kababayan. Tila may nangyayaring kalokohan. So dito, makikita po natin ang mga birada ni Marcoleta na hindi masagot-sagot ng taga-DOJ dito. Bakit naging independent itong ICI na ito kung nanghihingi lang ng mga source sa Senado, sa kung saan-saan, paano masasabi na independent ito? Kasi ang taong bayan, mga kababayan, kini-question din ito Bakit tinatago ang pag-iimbestiga matapos ibasura ang Blue Ribbon Committee na isa ring Itbulagaan, na isa ring Sarsuela, at itong ICI na ito ay talaga naman ginamit nila para itago ang katotohanan. Nakita nyo naman, mga kababayan, gagawin pa nilang state witness yung prime suspect. Kaya galit na galit ang mga Marines, mga sundalo, mga general at taong bayan na tila umaapoy na ang people power. Ngayon, mga kababayan, pakinggan po natin si Senador Marcoleta, paano niya gisain ang mga ito. Yari, lumayas sa kayo dyan. Sabi ng taong bayan, wala kay silbi, ICI, punyeta kayo. Kakampi kayo ng mga kawatan. Yun yung mga sinasabi, nagmumura ang comment section natin. Para kayong Itbulaga, Sarsuela, hindi nyo kayang hulihin ang mga malalaking isda dito na nagnakaw sa kaban ng pera ng bayan natin. So ngayon, pakinggan po natin si Senador Marcoleta, bibirahin ang mga taga-DOJ na ito na talagang walang alam. Tignan nyo po.
Akala ko ba ang ICI is an independent body? Pagka independent, gagawin niya sa sarili niya, di ba? Tama.
Opo, ang ano po is yung pagtulong.
Teka muna,
Opo.
sumagot ka lang.
Opo, Senator.
Independent, di ba?
Opo.
Ba't kinakailangan siyang humingi ng tulong sa mga fiscal ninyo, prosecutors? That is not being independent.
Okay.
Tama?
We submit to your wisdom, Your Honor.
Of course. Kasi tingnan mo yung creation niya. It should be an sa pangalan pa lang, independent, ano na yun, Che? ICI. Independent Commission on Infrastructure. Pag binasa mo yung kanyang mga powers, di ba? This is something that also the senators will, one way or the other, discuss probably in the course of time. Sabi niya, upon request, it can obtain information from the House of Representatives, the Senate, the courts, the Ombudsman, and other authorities. So paano yun? Bakit ka independent? And dami mo namang nagre-request ka kung kani-kanino. Can the Senate refuse, for example? In observance of the separation of powers.
Talagang pag si Senador Marcoleta, nga ang mga walang alam Akita nyo, taga-ano na ito, taga-DOJ na, pero aanga-anga. Aanga-anga, bobo-bobo. Tignan nyo, mga kababayan. Aanga-anga Kita nyo po, iba talagang may alam, mga kababayan. Iba talaga si Senador Marcoleta. dapat ito na lang yung maging presidente sa susunod na panahon Bago kay Sara, ngayon vice president pwede, mga kababayan.
Halimbawa, nag-request siya, address to the Senate President. Wala pa kaming choice. Because there are institutional boundaries. We need to exercise the system of checks and balances. So sasabihin niya, Independent Commission on Infrastructure. Paano kang independent and dami mong kinakasangkapan, hingi ka ng hingi? You should obtain the information by yourself, all alone. Yun ang independent.
Tama.
Tama?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay.
Is the DOJ still investigating flood control projects through your task force?
Yes, sir. We still are conducting investigations, like I said, with the assistance of the National Bureau of Investigation.
Okay. And yun ang yun yung instinct ko, baka magkaroon ng duplication, baka you might be investigating the same personalities and filing the same cases to the ombudsman. And of course, ayaw natin magkaroon ng conflict between the two investigations. That's also another aspect that we are also looking at here in the Senate through the Blue Ribbon Committee. No? We're very mindful of that, no? Na hindi magkaroon ng duplication or conflict. But in your case, since may dalawang body na, there's a danger na magkaroon ng conflict through duplication or looking at the same personalities but different lenses.
Like I said, like I mentioned earlier, Mr. Chair, the department also, with the task forces that are tasked to conduct investigations into the flood control projects, work with representatives from the ICI. So they are present also in the meetings that we would have with the National Bureau of Investigation. So they are informed real time as to the investigations that we are doing. And in addition to that, whatever the results are of our investigation is furnished the ICI, just so that there will be no duplication in the investigations that will be conducted.
The primary jurisdiction on investigating a particular, let's say, personality or particular, kasi ang dami, no? We're talking about if the information yesterday is accurate, there are about 421 ghost projects all over the country investigated by the Department of Public Works through different agencies. So, merong AFP, merong iba-ibang grupo na ginamit sila. So, in each of those 421 is a case itself. Tama? No?
Sure.
Diba? So, how do you delineate the line kung ito iniimbestigahan na ng ICI, dapat hindi na namin imbestigahan to, o itong personality kausap na nila? How do you now delineate or divide the line between the two?
Mr. Chair, even the Department of Public Works and Highways, which is the agency which has a lot of investigations to be conducted on, we also coordinate with them, no? And in fact, we even secure documents from them, try to get and gather evidence that will be used in the cases that we build up. Now, we are aware of the investigations being conducted by the Department of Public Works and Highways, and that is also the reason why when we sit down and meet, no, with our counterparts from the National Bureau of Investigation, the DPWH representatives are also there, just so that we are aware of the investigations that they are conducting or looking into.
Ayan mga kababayan, so check natin mga komento dito. God save the Philippines. Share done. DOJ ICI, Ombudsman is working under the pleasure of their appointer, not the people. Si Sen Marcoleta na lang po ang natitirang tanging pag-asa ng mahihirap na Pilipino. Don't trust the government in investigation. Don't trust the government in investigating PCP. The people in the ground should investigate post pictures, locations of substandard, ghost unfinished and unnecessary flood control projects. Go, Sir Marcoleta. Harap-harapan niluluto, walang paki. Grabe, no? Talagang ginagago talaga mga Pilipino dito.
Personalities who are involved. And we compare our notes and exchange notes. In fact, we get some help from them and they also secure some documents from us just to make sure that we're not tackling the same case which is being investigated by both agencies, Your Honor.
Manner, I heard you earlier na merong tao ang ICI sa DOJ. Doon sa, I would assume doon sa task force nyo.
Labanan ng mancha with New Breeze Liquid. Tanggalang nanuot.
Grabe mga kababayan. Harap-harapan na ginagago ang mga Pilipino, tinatarantado. Dahil nga po sa pagtatakip nila ng ginagawa po ng sindikato na well-organized crime. Tinalo pa nila ang Amerika, ang Japan, ang Korea, ang Thailand. Mayaman po ang Pilipinas pero na dedenggol lang ng mga kawatan na ito. Ngayon lang po nangyari ang super kawatan, super magnanakaw sa panahon na ito. Mga kababayan ko, nakakaiyak. Very logic lang po ito, mga kababayan. Ginawa nilang gatasan ng mga Pilipino. Nakakaiyak po talaga. This is, not a joke anymore, mga kababayan.
They're in the loop on real time.
They are not assigned with the Department of Justice, but they do attend and we notify and inform them every time there's a meeting of the task force of the Department of Justice and the National Bureau of Investigation. Yusek Andres would be able to expound on it, sir.
Yeah, in the same manner, DOJ also has a representative in the ICI to know which items are they investigating, which personalities are they looking at.
Earlier, sir, Secretary Vida mentioned that we have also prior coordination with the ICI, as in fact, ICI has also requested for assistance from the department to have our prosecutors help out in the technical working groups. The purpose of which is also for us to have access and knowledge of the investigations which are being conducted, the witnesses who are being interviewed, to see if they can also be of help in the cases that are being developed by the Department of Justice.
Halatado kasi mga kababayan, bistado ang ICI. Na kung ano lang yung gusto nila, yun ang gagawin nila. Hindi nila ginagawa ito ayon po sa kagustuhan ng tao. Ayon po sa direksyon na makita ng tao. So dito, yung gusto nilang nasusunod para matakpan ang ginagawa nilang anomalya pagnanakaw. Nakita nyo naman, mga kababayan, yung Blue Ribbon Committee, anong nangyari? Pinaghirapan ni Marcoleta. Hinarang naman ng mga bugok na pumalit, Panfilo Lacson, hindi rin marunong, walang alam sa batas. Itong si Tito Soto na school bukol na wala namang kaalam-alam, ano mangyayari sa investigasyon? Hawak sila sa leeg ng mga magnanakaw. Yun po ang sinasabi ng mga komento. Nagalit na taong bayan dito, mga kababayan. Ay Diyos ko Lord, patawarin nyo. Harap-harapan na tinatarantado mga Pilipino. So yan lamang po ang ating bahagi mga kababayan. Salamat po na marami sa inyong pagkonsidera at pag-subscribe at pag-suporta sa ating mga reaction video na ito. Mabuhay. Once again, ako si The Wonders Philippines. Salamat po.